In this video, how to identify Windows version and OS build of an Windows ISO image file. For example, let's say you have a Windows ISO image with a generic name, and you're unsure which Windows edition it contains. First, right-click on the ISO image file, then mount it into the computer. Go to the Sources folder. Sort the files in this folder by size to identify the largest one. Look for a file named either install.vim or install.esd. Once you've found the file, select it. Hold down the Shift key, then right-click on the file and select Copy as Path from the context menu. Next, right-click on the Windows Start icon and choose Windows Terminal Admin. If you're using Windows 10, choose PowerShell Admin instead. In the terminal window, run the following command. Right-click to paste the file path you copied earlier. You'll now see a list of the Windows editions stored on the ISO image. In this example, the image contains Windows 10, and the image contains multiple editions like Home, Pro, Education, or Enterprise. Each edition is associated with an index number. With the index number, you can retrieve additional details about the image. Let's add the index number at the end of the command. These details include the Windows version, build number, supported languages, and more. Another example is if you have a Windows 11 ISO image. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.